Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I've got for you another clothing haul. I'm working with Halara again. I worked with them a few months ago. Really love their stuff. So much so, I've actually got a pair of the leggings on today without realising I'd selected these, but I love these. So these are from my previous haul. But this time we've got a few bits up there, and there seems to be a bit of a common theme of navy. So where shall we start? Let's start with the jeans. Well, I don't know if, no, not jeans, they're jeggings. You know I absolutely love jeggings on this channel. So I've got them in so many different colours, and I've had these. I'll show you these black ones first. So I've already got these in a darker denim, which I've been wearing. I wore them to work the other day actually. We have a dress down day on a Friday. So these are the high-waisted back jeggings. They come in a few different colours, as I've just said, a darker colour and a couple of lighter denims. These are fabulous. They have got a built-in waistband, which for me is great to keep the old tummy tucked in and nice and tight. But they've got they are lycra. These honestly, they really are really comfortable. I love wearing them. So you'll see from the try on clip what they look like and how far the waistband come up. And what I'll do, I'll put all of the details of the clothes I'm showing you now in my description box below, along with our discount code of 20%. So the next ones are these. Love the colour of these. Another pair of leggings, jeggings, but these were a little bit different. So this is a similar colour to the ones I've just shown you that I've previously already got. These, however, are a bit more like a cargo jean. So you've got pockets. Are they real pockets? Yes, on the sides, but not too near your thigh, so they don't make your thighs stick out. They're a little bit further down. And I've never seen these on a pair of jeggings. They've got a scrunch bum. Can't believe it. So yeah, I'm hoping they look like a pair of Bobby Dazzlers. I really like those, and I like the pockets on the side and the back, sort of make them look a little bit more casual. So I've got a few bits now which I will wear to training. I do a lot of running, cycling, weight training, that sort of thing, so I need a lot of sports kit. As I said, I've already got a pair of these black leggings on, and I've ordered a second pair because I like them so much. I thought I'll have another pair of those. You can never go wrong with black, can you? And these have got an amazing waistband. It crosses over, so again, sucks all your tummy in. Let me show you the ones I've got on now, and then of course I'll show you in the try on clip. But look, you see how it just gives that V, and it just holds you in. Lovely. And they've got little pockets on the side if you need to hold a phone or anything in them. So these come in a few different colours, quite a lot of colours actually, and they also have a version called Pat It Off, which if you've got pets, the hairs don't stick to the lycra. So I've not got any pets anymore, so I didn't need to get that. So they are, I think they're about another $10 compared to these. But yeah, if you've got a lot of pets, ideal. So that's the black pair. And then I've gone for the same again in the navy. Again with the special tummy tuck. It's like having a tummy tuck without having one. So I'm 5'3" for reference. I forgot to say actually, all of these I've got in a size small. So I'm a UK 8 to 10, and all of these, bar one pair, fit like a glove. So yeah, 5'3", and these come in at, they're like ankle grazer length on me, so depending on how tall you are. But really, really comfortable. Lycra's really good on them. I've had these and worn them quite a lot, washed them a few times, and they still look good as new. Right, let's go into some joggers next. Unfortunately, this pair, which I'm gutted about, are too big for me. So they are a size small like all the others, but I think this style, whereas I'm quite used to wearing tight stuff all the time, I tend to wear jeggings or leggings. These are a little bit too big and baggy. I'll just pull them on now. So they are a size small, as I've just said. Oh, actually, they're not too bad. I thought they were massive. Oh, no, they're not too bad. I was going to give them to my husband, but I might keep them now. Yeah, they're okay, actually. And these again come in loads of different colours. Nice little pair of joggers, pockets, drawstring, lovely. So they're sort of this colour I've gone for is like a royal blue, which I really quite like. I tend to stick to black or grey, so it's nice, she says, in a blue top. So it's nice to switch the colours up a bit. So yeah, there they are. Lovely pair of good quality, nice joggers. Love that colour. So like that colour so much, I decided to go for a different style as well. These are again high-waisted, got a lovely big waistband. These have got pockets as well. And these are the cuffed, but they aren't a jogger. They're sort of in between a legging and a jogging pant. So lovely soft material. I think these are going to be really comfortable actually. So just slightly baggier than a straightforward legging, but not as thick material as a pair of joggers like the ones I've just shown you. So yeah, I love those, they're really nice. And again, just as a reminder, 20% off everything. So it's this lovely vest top, and it has got a really nice crisscross design at the back. I love it. Scrunchies in the middle. I like the side of this, got some nice textured side, and then it's got padding in that you can actually take out, and I think I will take that out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this as a bra actually rather than a sports top, but yeah, I love that. Really nice. I hope that fits nice and comfortably, and I shall wear that with the black leggings. And then finally this lovely blue sports top. No haul of mine would be complete without a hoodie. I've not got one this colour, dare I say that. In the last haul I had one in sort of a fawny colour, which I've worn quite a bit, so I thought I'm going to get another one of those because it's really comfortable. So material wise, it's no way near as thick as this hoodie I've got on, so for the spring summer that's going to be lovely. So I think I may show you in the try on that with the bottoms that I've just shown you, because they're the same colour, so they make a nice little set. So I'm really pleased. You've got a hood, drawstrings, zip and pockets. So I'm thinking that will make a rather nice addition to my gym kit. So that's it. Thank you, Halara, for working with me again. I'll put, as I've said throughout the video, all the details in the description box down below, along with our 20% discount code. And they do a lot of other things, not just gym wear. They do, well, it is mainly gym wear, but they've got the gym wear, the jeggings. They've got a lot of dresses and skirts as well, but I don't tend to wear sports dresses or skirts. But yeah, they've got a lot of that, and all sorts of different tops as well. So yeah, definitely worth a try. Check them out. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.